Hey guys, Jim here from Jim's Tech. I thought I'd do a quick comparison of the Google Home versus a UE Boom 2 just for playing music and so you can hear the difference between them. So what I'll do is I'll play the same song on both of them and then I'll stitch it together and try to switch in between the song from one speaker to the other so you can hear the difference. I personally think the Google Home speaker is quite good for what it is, but it won't beat a dedicated speaker like a UE Boom 2. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe as I will post more videos in the future. So we'll go ahead and start off. I'll start with the Google Home and then I'll switch them back and forth as we go. I'll start them at 50% volume, playing for about 20 seconds each, and then I'll crank them up to full volume so you can hear what they sound like. Okay, so let's start with the Google Home.